All right. Afternoon, everybody. That's Nayoka and Kristen.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Okay. All right. So now I'm actually looking at the homework. So I don't know if you guys did it. Uh,
Sir, I did send mine to you, sir.
oh, you sent yours?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Um. So how come I'm not seeing it? Let me just go to it. When you sent it.
Sir, I sent it in last week, sir.
Mm, Yes, you did. Yes, you did. All right. That's Thursday for real. Okay. Yeah, because you told me internet was down. Yeah. All right. Go and look at this as well. Let me just duplicate this in and see if I can get yours on the screen. All right, so all right, and yep, definitely. All right, so yours will be on the screen shortly. Christian, let me just get it downloaded and send it over. All right, so let's separate them now. Them on one page. Maybe we should have done that for the other one. All right, so let's write the name one time. Right here. All right, so let's write the names here. This is Tiana's one. And then over here is Christian's one.
Excuse me, sir. It was WhatsApp woman sending it on?
Yeah. Why? You never know?
Nothing. No, never remember.
Well, WhatsApp, you can send it by WhatsApp. That's the fastest way. You could send it in the classroom, but I can't. I don't like going in classroom for assignments. I prefer if you WhatsApp it like this and then I can mark it right away. So, uh, and that's like if you get written work like this. But like for multiple choice answer, I'll just like send the test in the in the classroom and then you do those if it's multiple choice. But once it's not multiple choice, do it on a paper and they send it to me by WhatsApp. Take a picture of it or something. Well, yeah, I prefer it.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead, Percival.
sir, my phone I use WhatsApp. Sir, my phone have WhatsApp on it, sir. I'm
So
putting in.
how you going to get it to me now? All right, let me just go through it then, and see what should be done here. Um, you say about your phone on WhatsApp.
Sir, I'm put the WhatsApp on, sir.
Oh. So, well, I don't know how you go send it in. Thing is, if you send it, I don't like send it in a classroom, although that are the weird and say, but I really too like it because cause I have to go through a whole heap of steps and something. Let me try some. Think I had a group password.
Sir, may I try still, sir? I have to find out yourself if send you WhatsApp.
I was email it then.
Sir, may I use nearby share, sir, and share it on WhatsApp, sir.
All right then. Do we have to do then? All right, guys. So everybody seeing the screen? Um,
Yes,
Kristen,
sir.
Carla,
Yes, sir.
Nayoka. All right. Let's see what I'm going on. Let me see. All right. So now, what is the volume of a sphere? All right. Left out the word. But a sphere having a radius 10 millimeters. Remember that this time it is millimeters. All right. So usually for these questions, guys, you get 1 mark for writing the formula. So you underline volume of sphere. I'm gonna write the formula there. Volume of sphere. Anybody remember the formula for the volume of a sphere? Nobody remembers that.
2/3 times pi times radius cube.
Okay, 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. All right, so that's it. So that's what we're gonna do here. All right, you get 1 mark for that. All right, and then now, of course, pi is in the calculator already, so you don't have to worry about here. 4/3 is gonna be, if you're gonna use a calculator, you'll get something like 1.333, and then pi would be like what, 3 point, so it's gonna be actually 3.1416, and then of course radius cube knows that's the only thing we have to worry about here. So the radius in this question is 10 millimeters, guys. So we're gonna put 10 millimeters here, and of course we're gonna cube that. All right, everybody see what we're doing so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So when we go to the calculator now, it's gonna be here, and let's clear
Sir.
it. Yes, go ahead.
And some of the my one answer, just put in 10, sir, and just put 3 at top, sir. Feel like that, sir. And get me answer.
Well, you have to do it this way. This is how to do it. So, so you have to find the radius cube, and then you multiply it by pi and by 4/3. So that's the way to do it. So if you cube the 10, that's not gonna be the right answer. The answer, it would have been incomplete. So after cubing the 10, we're gonna realize that 10 times 10 times 10 is really 10 cubed. But then if we do that now, we're gonna end up with what number? This should be 1,000, right? So here would be 1,000. So all right, and so 1,000 millimeters cubed is a part of the answer. This part now we have to work with as well. This part have to come down now. All right, so when we go to our calculator now, guys, we could put in the pi. Let's go here. So we now have 1,000 times, and pi is here, and there you go. So it's actually 3.1415926. All right, let's press enter, and when we multiply that by pi, this number becomes I should be able to remove this. Yeah, this number becomes what? 3,141. But then we're not finished yet. After we multiply it by pi, we're going to also have to multiply it by 4/3. And so when we do that now, 4/3 is 1.33. So so that then, and then we get this. All right, so your answer should be what I'm seeing here. It's actually going to be 4188.79. All right, can this be copied? Let's just put that here. This is what the answer going to be. All right, so the answer now going to be no, it's not even pasted here. Probably paste not black. Yeah, okay, that's why. All right, let's change the color here. Let's change it to red. There we go. This is the answer. And guess what? It's actually incomplete. We're going to put the units. The units is actually millimeter cube. Yes, go ahead. Yeah.
Sir, Chrysanthi said it again, lettering.
Oh, sure. Lettering. Yeah. All right. So there we are, guys. And so the answer is 4.1. And so this is actually a millimeter cube. So this should have been your answer. Should have been the answer, guys.
Sir, my one the incomplete, sir. Sir, I've never multiply last part to get that, sir.
Yeah, so I don't know why you did that. But all of this is one formula, so you have to do it this way. All right. They find the cube. Once you know the cube, now you just multiply it by pi. You have to use pi because a sphere is a circle, and then it's a circle. It's a circular shape. It's based on a circle, so therefore pi has to be used to find any volume or anything to do with space. All right, anything having to do with space of a circular object, you have to use pi there. Pi is a constant for a circle. All right. Yeah. It's like pi is telling the calculator that, listen, I'm working with a circle here. So it's like when you say pi, the calculator thinks or knows that it's a circle you're talking about. So you have to use it. The 4/3 now, again, well, 4/3 comes from the fact that it has 3 dimensions, but then this is some long ancient maths to show you how the 4/3 come by. But just know, say, the reason why the 3, you see these 3s here in the formula, it's just telling you that there are 3 dimensions. All right, so that's what it means anyway. But the answer you should get here though is 4,188.79. Or if you gave me this, if you told me 4,000, you round it, you could actually round it up, you could actually say approximately 4,200. But then you're gonna have to use this sign if you're going to do that. All right, so this is like an approximation sign, guys. Right, this means approximately or almost, and then this means equal to. All right, so that's a sign that you can use in physics, guys. Just so it's like a case where when you're rounding off your answer, you use like a curly equal sign, which means approximately equal to, whereas this means equal. And then of course the 3, like this, means exactly equal to. All right, did you guys know these things before? Carla, Kristen, Chrisanti, Nayoka, Tiana.
No, sir.
All right. All right. So here, the answer should be 4,000 and much. So if you didn't get that, that means it would have been incomplete. So 4,178.86. Yeah, all right. This is close. So you get it. It's actually close. I mean, you actually use the 3.142. That's okay. I use 1.33 there. So this is correct. But except that you'd lose a mark here. It's not centimeters, it's millimeters. All right, it's millimeters cube. So you'd have gotten 2 out of 3 there for that. You lose 1 mark for the unit. But this part is certainly correct. So Christian, remember the units that you're working with.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, for B now,
Sir.
yes. Was that Chrisanti?
Yes, sir. Me get 4,190.4.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Once you have the answer in the unit, that's okay. All right. I mean, the answers will be slightly different because of what you use for pi and what you use for 4/3. And so that's it. I mean, that's why I say anything close to 4,200. If you see what we did here, they'd accept anything close to 4,200. So it doesn't matter. 4,188, 4,180, whatever it want be, or 4,190. That's accepted. Everybody get that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, so good. So for most calculations in physics, there isn't like a perfect answer, but get close enough to it by doing the thing the right way. Once you follow the steps and you do all of the steps and you get an answer, don't worry about whether it is like the exact answer. Don't worry about that. Most of your answers, that's why I'm showing you these signs now. Most of your answers will be approximately equal to what you get. It's not going to be exactly equal to. That's not at high school level. So nothing is wrong. Just as long as when you give your answer, you show say it, you use this sign instead of the equal sign. Once you're rounding it off, and it's not the exact answer. You just round it off and use it curly equal sign. All right. So you guys have any questions here?
No, sir. Sir, I'm not other way for working.
No, this is the only way, Kristen. This is the only way to work it. You have to use the 4/3 pi r cube. All right. So, all right. So part B now is asking you guys for the radius of a sphere. All right. So radius of a sphere having the volume of this. So this is the reverse now. Again, you're getting 1 mark for the formula here. There it is. And let's get the marker there. Okay. That's us having a problem. All right, there you go. So what is the radius of a sphere having a volume of 540? All right, let's hold on to that one. We're gonna look at let's see. Oh, this looks like Percival saying his phone is died. All right. So before we go to this one, let's see what Tiana did on hers, and then Tiana would have done that. It's a 4/3 there. But actually, this is correct. So, and this is millimeters squared. So actually, this is correct. So you get the full 3 marks here. I mean, it's well done, Tiana. So, you get the 3/3 there. All right, and let's look at B now and see what happened. For B, radius of sphere having a volume of 540 centimeters cube, guys. All right, first thing you're going to do, write the formula. Volume of sphere, you could just put V sphere. V means volume. These capital V or common V, doesn't matter. But V and then sphere as a subscript there. And then you just write out 4/3 times pi times, well, we'll just write R for radius cube. All right, and the question says, what is the radius, guys? We're finding the radius. All right, so we have to do some rearranging here, guys, which is can make it simple. It's yeah, let's discuss. All right, everybody see what we're doing here? All right. So what we're gonna do here, guys, is we're gonna take a bold step here. We're gonna say 4. We're gonna rearrange this 4 times pi times r cubed. This is actually the same thing, you know, as dividing everything by 3. All right. Hope everybody is seeing this. We're trying to simplify it. We have to rearrange the formula, and what we're going to do is rearrange it so that only r alone is left over here on the right hand side. All right. So remember that where the volume is, which is V, that's the left hand side, and where the radius is, that's on the right hand side. All right. So we're going to move each of them, all right, piece by piece. So what we're going to do here is saying, all right, when show you how to transpose, you should know this. This is something that you'll do in math. But let's use a different color then. Let's use a different color. All right. So what I'm gonna do here, so you see this 3 now is gonna divide everything. Everybody seen that? All right. So this 3 is dividing everything, but the opposite of dividing, and then the thing about it is that the right hand side is opposite to the left hand side. So it means that if you want to get anything from the right hand side to the left hand side, you're gonna have to do the opposite of what is happening. All right, guys. So that's the way to look at it. So opposite side means opposite operation. Operation means that your operation is what? Divide, multiply, subtract or add. Right? Now, what is the opposite of dividing? Everybody, what's the opposite of dividing?
Multiplying.
Multiplying. So because I want this 3 on the opposite side and this 3 is dividing, I will have to do the opposite to what is happening. And because this equal sign means balance, so if I do it here, I will have to also do it here. And so what's going to happen there? Well, the 3 going to cancel the 3 there. All right. That's the first thing I do. I move them over. 3 cancel 3. 3 into 3 goes 1 time. That gone. Anything over 1 is the same thing. So that gone. 3 times V means that we're going to multiply V 3 times. So R by 3 is going to be 3 times bigger. So you end up with 3V over here. And so that's 3V. Everybody see what we did a while ago?
Yes, sir.
All right, remember guys, anything you do to the right-hand side, you have to do to the left-hand side. All right, so the 3 move now. So we have to go move the 4 now. What is the 4 doing there now? What is the 4 doing there, class? What is the 4 doing? All right, you know what? In time already.